Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Unraveling Science. I am Nikhil Khedkar and I have come up with the first ever video of the channel intended to disclose what the channel presents to the audience. So let me take you to a small tour to what you can expect from us in the coming days. Basically, we would be dividing the entire videos into 4 sections. The first one would be Science for All. In the Science for All, what we intend to include is the concepts of fundamental sciences from the school and college academics. So these will basically be divided into 2 sections. First would be the videos of the concepts of maths and science from 1st to 10th standard, and then for the 10 plus 2 level, that would cover physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. So once when we are done with the subjects of 1st to 12th, we would be moving to a higher level science which is applicable to engineering and medical field. So that would be in the section 2. So our section 2 is engineering science. So in section 2, we would be dealing with the concepts of advanced sciences applicable to engineering. So in mechanical engineering, we would be dealing with structural, fluid, thermal, environmental, the basics of electrical and electronic engineering which are applicable to mechanical field. And on a later side, the programming languages such as Python, C and C++ applicable to mechanical engineering. So in this section, we would be intend to cover all the basic concepts of engineering, the fundamentals of all the concepts. So then we would be moving to our next section, that is advanced engineering science. In advanced engineering science, we would be dealing with some of the softwares such as AutoCAD, CATIA, ANSYS, Fluid, the basic of these concepts and their application towards mechanical engineering. During discussing their applications, more relevance will be given to the fields of thermal engineering and fluid mechanics, and then later on to the power plant engineering devices such as boiler, heat exchangers, so on and so forth. So once we are acquainted with all the concepts of engineering, we would be marching towards a very important subject or very important section, that is known as interdisciplinary sciences. So when we say interdisciplinary sciences, so what does it mean? What does interdisciplinary word means? So interdisciplinary means the merging of two subjects which till the date we have studied separately. So the two known persons can bring their ideas together, can club their ideas together and form a new device or a new concept which would be helpful to both the fields. So in this interdisciplinary sciences, we would be dealing with the application of engineering concepts for the development of scientific gadgets which would be useful in medical field. So as we all know that the dialysis pump, which is used for removing the impure blood from the human body and replacing it with the fresh blood, such devices are of immense importance nowadays in medical field. But without the knowledge of engineering or only with the knowledge of medical, it is very difficult to make such devices which are challenging. So this is the platform where the students from engineering, also the professionals, would get some idea of how to apply their engineering concepts to various fields. One could be a medical. There could also be a field of nanotechnology where the developments in nanotechnology can be brought into mechanical engineering field, in metallurgical view also, and also from the perspectives of fluid and thermal which are being developed nowadays. So this was the course content that we would be covering in our upcoming videos. I thank you all for giving your precious time, and I would ask you to please subscribe our channel Unraveling Science, and also you can write us at unravelingscience@gmail.com. I would be happy if you can comment what are all the topics, if at all we have missed, that you intend that you wish to cover. Looking forward for your comments. And in the upcoming videos, as the next video which I would be uploading, that would be the first educational video rather. So this video, it will basically deal with the energy, that is what is energy, because why I have chosen this topic is all the universe is made up of energy. It originated from energy and it will end in energy. So I think energy being the very fundamental concept, we must begin our study with the energy. Hope you enjoy the coming sessions. Thank you once again.